When you work for yourself, you love what you do because it's your passion. But you also have to do a few things that you're less fond of, like creating invoices and offers. We love what we do because it's our passion to handle the less fun parts of running your own business. Paymash lets you create invoices and quotes quickly and easily. You save time and paper because you send them directly, only right from our system. You can see exactly whether your offer has been read by the customer, your bill's already been paid, or if the customer has a question. Paymash even lets you set up your webshop with the click of a button. You can even use your iPad or iPhone to collect payments. Easy as pie. As you can see, Paymash makes doing business really easy with everything online and everything mobile. Paymash, for more time to devote to your passion.